Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into AWS CloudFormation, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Type in the URL for the AWS Management Console. Press enter to load the page. Once the page loads, locate the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button. You will see two options, root user and IAM user. Select IAM user. Enter your account name in the provided field. Click on the Next button. Now, you will be prompted to enter your IAM username. Type your IAM username in the designated box. Click on the Next button again. You will now need to input your password. Type your password carefully. Once you have entered it, click on the Sign In button. After signing in, the AWS Management Console will load. In the search bar at the top, type CloudFormation. Select CloudFormation from the drop-down list. You will now be taken to the AWS CloudFormation dashboard. From here, you can start creating or managing your CloudFormation stacks. Ensure that you have the necessary permissions to access CloudFormation features. You are now logged in and ready to use AWS CloudFormation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.